Okay guys, we got 8 minutes to the close. Market's trying to go lower. We have a limit order here, but Nasdaq is just in this sideways momentum here, so there's nothing you can do right now. See buyers trying to
long
push
signal
the
Apple.
price up. Apple trying to go higher from here.
Long signal NQ.
Okay, we got filled. Gotta give it some room, guys. Okay, we're gonna do a quick trade here. There we go.
Long
Buyers in the
signal
tape.
ES.
Buyers in the tape from the Nasdaq. See correlation dot up. Need to see more buyers in the tape. There goes the Nasdaq. Need to break the ATR. There you go, guys. There you go.
Long signal Apple. Long signal ES.
Contracts in balance here. 856. See, with big buyers in the tape now. That was a free trade, guys. It's a free trade. Okay, there you go. Buyers in the tape. Okay, guys, I'm out. Plus 475 here. So you see the correlation dot up here, then you see the imbalance 1200 contracts, and we see the correlation dot up over here in the Nasdaq, and you see the buyers in the tape. That's what triggered the trade, guys. When I saw the buyers over here, you know, big traders, almost the tape is almost green. So that way you can select better trades. So you don't need to trade all day, guys. You see, you just wait for an opportunity. Okay, so then you pull the trigger. So you can see here, for example, the ATR here was respected again. So you see, it's over here. So it was a triple bottom. 1, 2, 3. You know what happens when it's a double bottom. The majority of the time the market pushes higher, but when it's a third bottom, it's more strong. It's the market will tell you it's gonna go higher. The same thing over here in the NQ. So there's buyers here pushing again. So I would have waited a little bit more. We got 700 contracts up in the visual imbalance. 856 buyers pushing the price
Long
up.
signal
There they
NQ.
go, pushing the price up. Targets would have been hit, but you know it's better to grab what you want, what you need, and that's it, guys. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Thanks for watching.